Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology. So today our mechanical engineering students going to talk about the DT session video. So it will be relevant for prosthetic arm. Okay, let us start.
So hi everyone, myself Mohammad Adil, a second year mechanical engineering student, and my teammates are Shakti, Ashik, Karthik and Dharanidharan. So here our DT based project is about a prosthetic arm. Basically in some accidents or some issues, some people disabled hand, they don't have hand. So this hand is used by that people so reduce their disability and to improve their efficiency they using this prosthetic hand. So further it is continued by my teammates.
As Adil said that this prosthetic arm is basically linked to a human hand, actual human hand. The name prosthetic is given because it looks like an actual human hand and skin, as we can touch and feel like an actual human. Elon Musk have invented a neuralink technology where he can just take neural signals and electrical signals from mind itself. Our human body and our brain contains many signals. That signals can be accessed through some sensors and some technologies. Inspired by that technology, we have invented this prosthetic arm, not like a usual prosthetic arm. It really links with your mind and acts according to your mind's wavelength, and it really like feels like your own hand and can function any types of action, any types of thinking process they are doing, like anything they can done like their usual hand. And further the parts and the other components will be developed by Ramila.
So hello everyone, my name is Daniel. So this prosthetic arm, there are basically three types of prosthetic arms: body powered, myoelectric and hybrid. Body powered prosthetic arms are controlled by the body actions that we produce. If we move the shoulder up, the prosthetic arm moves up. So it is connected with the body with a harness that is acting upon the movement of the prosthetic arm. There are also myoelectric prosthetic arm. Myo means in biology we can basically call myo. Myo basically depends upon the muscles. It is related to the muscles. So myoelectric is directly translating to the electrical impulses produced by the muscles. So these myoelectric prosthetic arm have electrical components that run based on the electrical impulses produced by the muscles of the arm. So they basically we are just looking about the outer structural components in the prosthetic arm. Here we have the hand, the fingers. These are all called the terminal sector. These are the end of the prosthetic arm, so we call it as terminal sectors. It also have servo motors inside, which gives the movement for the fingers and the arms. They have sensors to detect whether an object is holding or not. There are also many prosthetic arms that have further developed. This is only a prototype. There are actual prosthetic arms have so many upgraded things like a battery, even maybe we can say that. So further will be continued by Karthik.
Like Dharni sir said, it is just a prototype. Nowadays there are many advantages to this, like we can fix it when we want and remove it when we don't want. Like Ashik said, there were minute neuro connections in this, like connecting to our nerves. It may work to our mindset and causes many advantages. There now it's just a prototype, but in a real life it may looks like a real hand. Further we can.
As a conclusion, this provides a hands to the people who are born with a disability, and as I said, this is just a prototype. We need to develop it, we need to research the more. Once it is into the market, it will cure the disability of the peoples, and it will be very useful for the people who are born in disability and lost their hands in accidents or any incidents. Thank you.
As this prosthetic arm have been made by us, it really cost a higher rate. But if we take this to a large production and if we integrate some more components in it, we can just reduce this particular arm's price, and we can be able to supply this to every people. Then it can be more affordable at that particular time. This particular prosthetic arm will be definitely useful for the disabled persons and some people who lost their hands by an accident. The special feature of this prosthetic arm is it will be cost effective if it will be brought to the market. Thank you.